everybody, what's up? Today we are playing Murder Mystery, and it's your boy, Austin. Or also Red Pikachu. You can call me either way, Red is okay too. And let's start the video. A perfect way to start off the video. Ooh, yeah. Time to get something in my blood. Hey dude, what's up? Blag! Ooh, don't get me. Don't get me. Don't you dare. I forgot you! Yes, you tried to get me last time. Oh, yes. Come on. Oh. Come on, buddy. Come on out. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's dead. Oh, sorry for lag. Yes, get him, no! He's a murderer. I mean, sheriff. Yes. Better not. I'm protecting. Camper. Oh. Can't get me. Yes. Hello. Where are you? Hello. Where are you? Are you? Hello? No. Oh. Hello? Where are you? Oh, yes. That's how you get a first kill. Yeah. You are not kidding. Ooh, snowflake tokens. Yes. I won! Woo! Yeah! So, if you are having a good day and you like Murder Mystery, slap that like button and make sure you slap that bell too. Okay, so getting in the map now. So let's see what we are. Yeah, baby, innocent. Okay, that's okay. Oh, what happened here? I'm walking on nothing. Okay. That's weird. Oh! Nope. I just saw who the murderer was, and he was just in front of me. Did he kill the sheriff? Oh, there he is. No. Hey, I know what it is. Come on. Come here. Hey, come here. It's it! No! please no, please no, please no. No! How'd you kill me through a wall? How do you kill me through a wall? How do you kill me through a wall? That makes no sense. How do you kill me through a wall? That has no physics at all. Oh. He got stuck in the sink. Are you kidding me? This, oh. That was the best moment of my life. Oh! 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 Come on, where is she? Oh, there she is! No! Oh! Oh! Why? She was so close, but she didn't turn her. Oh, GG. Man. Ooh, we got the green fire knife. And she has the blue steel knife. Wow. That's interesting. It was such a close round. I really wish I actually did not die, because that was just embarrassing. Ugh. Oh, okay. Yes! An important role where you get a weapon. Actually, this is a good role. I like this role. Actually, you know what I'm gonna think about it. This role I got was actually pretty good. Look out for people that have a knife. Look out for people that have a knife. I also gotta look like I'm innocent. So, I know that the guy that was just the murderer is not the murderer now. Oh, lag. Why lag now? Okay, thank you. Who died, and where did they die? I'm scared of where they are. Box elf. Oh. Up. Why are you up there? Why are you up there? Sir, why are you up there? Oh, I don't like you. Stop following me. Stop following me. I don't like you. Oh, yes! Oh! Yes! I win! I'm just going so good on this. Woo! Yes! Ooh, I got a green wrapping paper and rare shots. Ooh, thank you. Ah, yes. Oh, dead. This is the guy I killed. Floppy Pancake Boy. That's a weird name, buddy. It's a funny one too. Gotta admit. Is he typing or something? Why is barely anybody here? It's like they're always in there. Okay. Ooh, yeah, okay. Hey, innocent. Okay, it's been rare that I've been innocent. Don't know why. Okay. Maybe it's the video powers. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you leave a like. And it'll give me video powers. You know, it'll give me video powers. Yeah. I'm not sure about this guy. Because I can be a hero either way. Up. Oh, what? Who's the murderer? Who was the murderer there? Show me who the murderer was. It was was Dilly Bob. Ah, yeah, okay. Okay, Dilly Bob. That was the guy who murdered everybody. Okay. Actually, they didn't murder anybody. I didn't hear any, like stabs. I didn't hear any. Don't know why. But, this is actually pretty cool. I like it. It's pretty cool and amazing. Why is Fluffy Pancake Boy just there, just doing that? Okay, that's weird. But we're into another round. I'm innocent. I'm gonna survive. I think the best way is to just go in here in Mineshaft and just find a very, 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 very dark place. That's how you know. Oh no, I know a secret place. I think it's no, it's not this one. Well, in the lockers, guys. If you didn't know, yeah, there's this. So there's Zalik's office. Oh, okay. We all died and then we are back now. But if you didn't know, there's Zalik's office. On the mine shaft, you go into the, from the wall, it's the second locker, but from the way you're pointing it, it's the third locker. So if you want to find out the secret and hide there, then go check it out on your own. Even if you have Roblox, it's pretty cool, and you'd be super overpowered because that place is really, really hard to find. Actually, it's not really that hard to find, is it? No, it's not that hard. But if they're chasing you and then they just like, wait, where are you? Actually, some people I think know where it is. I saw some person just going to... Ah! Yeah, there. Yeah, okay. Ooh, there's a little ducky here. Hi, little ducky. Hi. Hello, guy. Okay, so I'm just gonna... Oh! Are you kidding me? Really? Okay, at least she got killed automatically, but really? Like, why? Why? Like, out of all the people, she targets me. The one person who's out and about in the open. Actually, I was in there. I guess it wasn't that noticeable, but why? That's annoying. When somebody targets you, that's annoying. Okay. Let's do this. Ah, innocent! Are you kidding me? Nah. No. Dang it. Okay. I don't like that. I don't like that. Who just got killed? Who just got killed? I would have to see the dead. Ha 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 ha. What? Oh, it's him! Oh, no! No! Wait! Oh! Hey! Yes! No! Dang it! Well, if you did enjoy this video, please slap that like button. I mean, why can't I move? Why can't? Okay. So this. If you did enjoy this video, please slap that like button and bye.